So as you can see, this is our Python compiler, and you can see we are writing the code in Python IDLE new file. So before we start writing the code, we need some sort of module. Module means packages. So the package are like OpenCV, NumPy, and we need one file called Hair Cascade Frontal Face Classifier for detection of the human face. So how we are going to install that package? So first we need to install that package. So we are going to install that package in first step. So we have to open command prompt, and we have to run the command pip for Python install package install Python. So as you can see, our program is installing OpenCV Python. It is actually package which help us to, it is a computer vision package. With this package we can do the things related to camera like facial detection, eye detection, or training the module, etc. So our program is actually downloading the package. With the pip we can install many Python packages like CSV, Google speech recognition also we can install, which help in recognizing speech. So as you can see, we installed our Python OpenCV Python packages, and now we need Hair Cascade Frontal Face Classifier. It is actually a file which help us to detect face of human being. We can write our own Hair Cascade classifier also. It is a basically an algorithm which help us to detecting image. So we have to download here Hair Cascade file. So you can see here we are going to download the zip. So we downloaded, we are going to extract that file. So as you can see, Hair Cascade, eye tree, eyeglass, frontal face. So this Hair Cascade helps in detecting frontal face extended. There are many lower body. This Hair Cascade file help us in detecting the lower body. So these are all the file which help us detecting different parts of the body. So basically we can also create our own Hair Cascade file by training method. So first we need to extract this file. We extracted this file. So as you can see, we extracted this file Hair Cascade. So inside this file only we are going to place our Python program. So let's open the IDLE console. So you can see untitled file. First we save this file. We go in save as. We go in download. We go in Hair Cascade file. Make sure that the Hair Cascade file and your Python program file remain in same folder. So we first name our file face detect program. So let's start writing the code. We write import cv2. This file actually import OpenCV, our OpenCV package. So with this line import CV2 or import speech recognition, we generally use import statement in Python to import our package. If we want to use our package and import sys. Sys is actually a library used in Python. With it has many functions, like we can pass argument with command prompt, etc., etc., etc. And second line we are going to face face cascade. It is actually the file which you remember we downloaded during. We downloaded that file earlier. You have seen in this video. We have to name that cascade file. So the file which, suppose we are going to frontal face, we are detecting. So we have to name this file. Copy this file actually. After copying this file name, we are going to write this name XML. After importing the our cascade file, we are going to detect the video from our camera. So one variable named video capture. Here this function cv2.video capture actually captured the video from our laptop camera. 0 for laptop camera and 1 for external camera, or if there is 2 or 3 cam, 1 2 respectively. So inside this we can also pass mp4 file, pre-recorded mp4 file in single comma. So if we pass and pre-recorded mp4 file, it going to process pre-recorded mp4 file. So as you can see, while true means if it detect. So we are going to capture frame by frame.
So now we are writing gray. So basically this function is going to convert the colorful image into the gray image actually. So gray equal to cv2.cv t color frame dot cv frame comma cv2 dot color color bgr to gray. So basically this function is going to convert colorful image into gray. Faces equal to face cas face cascade dot detect. So this function is going to detect images or the faces in the video that we are going to capture. For x, y, w, h, x and y stand for the coordinate, and w and h for the width and the height. So basically, for x, w, x, y, w, h in faces, we are going to detect the location of the face in the video, and then we are going to draw the rectangle shape around it. So as you can see, we are drawing the rectangle around our faces by the function called cv2.rectangle frame. Now we are going to show the image by the function called cv2.imshow. So we are basically displaying the detected face image in our program. Now we are going to insert a delay function or wait function. We are basically inserting the wait function so that our program can run smoothly. If we do not insert the wait function, our program do not run smoothly because OpenCV needs some time to process the data. So after writing the code video.capture release, we are going to release everything. We are going to destroy, in last line we are going to destroy all window. So you are seeing that our code is detecting multiple feature in our face. Even it is detecting face from one portrait also. So this way the program runs.